Come on. Let's go, Taz. Oh gosh. Let's go. Oh gosh. Come on. Ah. Come on, I'm gonna beat you. I'm gonna beat you. Is this fun? Come on, Hank. Let's go. Oh gosh, I'm gonna fall. Come on. Run four-wheeler. Oh gosh. Come on, let's go. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. I'm gonna fall. Oh gosh, come on. Oh, be careful back here. Hang on. Hang on. Okay. Come on, Tess. Ah, that's a good boy. That's a good boy. Come on, Tess. Is that fun? It's fun? You have giant paw prints. No, this is his paw print compared to my footprint. It's not a very, there's not much of a difference in size. No, gosh. Come on, Hank, let's go. Oh, you ready to go out in the field? Oh gosh, I almost ran into a bridge. Look, Taz. Come on. Come on. Come on, Hank. Oh, look. I'm just walking in the snow. It's so deep. This is snow, it's so deep. Especially depending on where you walk. Oh gosh. Hi, Hank. Ah. Oh. Oh gosh. Oh, almost slipped. Oh gosh. This is frozen. Me and Addie walked on it yesterday. It was so fun. And the same with the frozen pond over there. We walked on. Come on, Taz. Taz, over here. Over here, Taz. Gotta jump that because there's ice right there. But we walked on this pond. It may not look like there's ice, but there is. It's just covered up on snow. And then we walked on that. It's also, you can see, but it's a lot bigger than that. Oh gosh, I don't know if this is ice or not. Okay, it's not. Oh, it is. That is ice. I just stepped on ice. Oh gosh, I don't want to fall in with my camera thingy, like tablet, iPad thing, whatever. Come on, Taz, over here. He loves going out on walks, especially just like when I'm not walking on the leash. I'm trying to get him used to that, so I don't have to walk him on a leash. But every now and then, I'll keep walking him on a leash because we go camping. Where I want to go camping. We walk him on a leash when we go camping. Or whenever we bring him. Okay. Run, four-wheeler. Get over here! He's riding. Come here! Oh, hi, kitty kitty. I wonder where Willow's at. Woo! Your feet are freezing. Hi, kitty kitty kitty. You ready to go walk again? Want to go walk again? Oh, gosh. Come on, go walk again. Go walk over here. Come on, Taz. Taz, let's go. That's a good boy. Oh gosh, I almost slipped. I don't know how these dogs, I don't know how these animals feet are not freezing cold. No, it is so cold. My feet are freezing cold and I have boots on because I got snow in them. Okay, let's save the chickens. Chickens. Come on, guys. really see on the camera, but yeah, they're in there. Oh yeah, because they just came out. But we have one rooster, which is in there, and then we have all those baby chickens, and then more baby chickens with the mama. Oh God, there's a black rice.